This is Time Homicide. Yeah. I've committed time homicide, man's most famous crime, spending time like currency and wasting away. I'm committing time suicide, procrastination night by night. The clock's become my enemy and I'm the one to blame. I pray for motivation, I pray for another day. I pray for some godly miracle to give me back the time I took to pray. So God grant me some ambition, or at least a little might, so I can have the time I'll be wasting sleeping through the night.